It's hard to be alive when you're not here. It's hard to be alright when you're not here. I feel the misery, I feel the jealousy, I feel everything I didn't want to feel. Oh, it's real. Oh, oh. Baby, come on now, let me know where you are before.
Hi guys, I'm back. So, plano ko sana ngayon mag-exercise kahit onti lang. Basta mapawis ko lang lahat ng mga nakain ko for the past few days. Though hindi naman ganun kadami yung nakain ko, pero feeling ko talaga like I have to sweat it out. Alam mo yun? And plano ko sana dito lang sana yung mga bubbies namin, kaso lang natutulog siya sa amin, baka kung anong gawin ng dalawa, kasi nga pag wala silang may kitang tao, talagang kung ano na lang ginagawa nila, ginangat-ngat ng yung mga tissues, ganun, yung pads nila, ginangat-ngat nila pag walang taong tumitingin or wala silang nakikitang tao. So, dadalhin ko sila sa baba. Sa baba lang naman, hindi naman ako alis. Then lang naman kami, and siguro, kasi marunong siya naman ng TV. So, i-open ko yung TV while exercising outside. And, what else? Yun lang naman yung gagawin ko ngayong araw. So, wala lang. Samahan niyo lang kami ng 3 fur babies namin. Babies namin yun. Helen and Troy. Kung gusto niyo makilala lang sila. Whenever I'm doing my exercise, I make sure na maganda ako. Alam mo yun, naka-makeup ako. Yung hindi ko kailangan ng foundation kasi hindi naman talaga ako nagpa-foundation. Nagli-lip liner ako or lip gloss. Hindi talagang mawawala yung lip liner. So, lip liner na pinapatungan ko ng lip gloss or lip stain or lip plumper or lip maximizer or yung talagang yung liquid lipstick yun. Yung mga ganun ba. Talagang dapat pretty yung lips ko. And pretty din yung cheeks ko. Kaya nagbo-blush din ako. So, hindi mawawala yung dalawang yun sa lips ko and sa cheeks ko. Ganun talaga. Ito na nga yung ginawa ko sa lips ko. I know it's too much. It's so big. Pero, my gosh. Dream ko maging Betty Boop. Like, dream ko maging cartoon character. So, that's what I'm doing right now. At least, in my own ways, naging cartoon character ako by imitating their lip shape, how big are their lips. Alam mo yun. So, yeah. Ito. Ay, naku.
It's hard to be alive when you're not here. It's hard to be alright when you're not here.
Alam ko napasobra yung lips ko, pero okay lang yan. Kasi ako lang naman makakita sa sarili ko. And Sam. So, yeah. I'm gonna use BLK pa din, yung in the shade Beach. Kasi, yung mga pink naman dito sa cheeks ko. Yan.
It's hard to be alive when you're not here. It's hard to be alright when you're not here. I feel the misery, I feel the jealousy, I feel everything I didn't want to feel. Oh, it's real.
Pero tumatagal, okay naman na yung lips ko. Ayaw ng mga kapatid ko yung ginagawa ko sa lips ko kasi ang laki daw. Parang it's not me. Pero okay lang. I'm gonna put your hair.
It's hard to be alive when you're not here. It's hard to be alright when you're not here. I feel the misery, I feel the jealousy, I feel everything I didn't want to feel. Oh, it's real.